Hello, Mama Kwaba Eba Bright Bobby's TV. Again at the Bright. And there you be seeing BB Afa Kwanya Faso at the pen drive. And as it create bootable USB drive. And as it be pen drive, extra Windows, it create bootable drive or pen drive. So, and the other side, I know here BB a friend of Power ISO application. Our ISO application I am screen is sweet. And obesan so here Windows image. Yeah, be here Windows image. And as a Windows now, it be create a pen drive. So say here image. Yeah machine so and as a machine be using so. You say you say na me no be na we dey can be select Power ISO be Power ISO application no na ashase me dey na me register nti na the that screen so no be okay. Now in the options there will be and also high your file view action tools and options and help to be able here I tools option to be click tools and so now back down they are best selected bootable USB drive they are selected bootable USB drive I shall see and the be chassis we na ebe hu screen so but they can say me dey na register until na you say other options na e wo na le bit me e dey aye nti sa column we agina ho ma baby na image na person we no ha na wo say e show na hands be show pen drive size and na e wo ha say sa column ha and this ha no ha na be kwa click na ya select baby a you will fa a disk image in every. So here I may images be real. I have Windows 7, Windows 8.1 Pro, Windows 8, that is 16 in 1 near the identity. There is a bit kind of Windows 7, 16 in 1. Now they are here actually here. So you select once when you select here, na column hano dim about the show, which means say aha and an image in the dim back and a hands on a pen drive the dim in the back. And the hands there was a show USB dash HDD, USB dash hard disk drive, and I say universal serial bus dash hard disk drive. Now the show I will have say, and you know you say options we and click start. Now I shall say we I by nature say sometimes so we near my be a drive so and I said say a be create we now. Nema ya drive no so nyina den ebe pepa afri so se ogi tum sa se wo hia bebia o drive no so a no click okay na asha ase ti ebe twen se sa line we embassy here no we ready from 1% to 100% ti free ha na e go see ha na je se we na se e wie 100% na ebe hu I pop up bi e wo screen so say drive now we create na den create area to say if we are not just head and I click it okay na a free to try free say a free 1% a best at free 1% I could see 100% and so you say image no ya create area and see say shy when you say I started already from 1% the 1% and show elsewhere and a green label and so ever ready until say ebe kwa be see and they be ready from 1%, 2% up to 100%. And Sunday, who say your image no create and as a bootable drive no I ready I bit me then I use it. Say I do 11%, 12%, and the can call any from 1% to 12%. Until kakakakra could do 100%. Now I know actually say bootable drive no I ready I bit me I use 99%.